Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can add product reviews to your online Shopify store. So just follow me till the end and you'll be able to do that in just a few clicks. So first you have to come to your dashboard and click this apps option. And once you click this apps option, here you get this search bar, and in this search bar you have to search for product reviews. And here you have to search for product reviews in the Shopify App Store and press enter, and it's going to load over here in this another page. So here you can see that you get all of these options which you can choose from. For example, if you choose this one, you just have to open this in a new tab, or you can just click it and it will open. And once you land over here, you can always see view a demo store, and if you like the demo store you can install it later. So once you click view demo store, you can just scroll down and see where there's this option of customer review. Here you can see that this is the customer review and this is how they're going to rate it and all that. So you can just choose the one you like. You can see over here the free plan, the free one, or some are 14-day free trial, so you can see which one's free and which one's not. And when you choose the one you like, you just have to click install. For example, I have chosen this one and installed this one. For example, I have chosen this trust reviews one, and here you can see once I have installed it, it's going to come in this apps option. Here I can manage my reviews, here I can import reviews, here I can do the integration, and here I can just do the settings. And if you like any of these, you can just always click install, and then you're going to land on another page where they're just going to give you a prompt of confirmation. So here you just have to click install app, and it will automatically be installed, and then you can just find it in the apps section. So that's it. I hope you liked this process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.